I was talking with my one friend who had just moved here from Mexico, and she didn't speak hardly any English, so we were having our conversation in Spanish, usual, normal for us. And this one kid comes up to us and he says, "You need to stop speaking Spanish." And me and my friend thought he was joking.
I have many instances where I've seen stereotypes been thrown around for fun as jokes all the time at school. It's kind of a regular occurrence. A lot of friends throw it around in the same kind of groups and use it as jokes, but it also, I've seen it as kind of in an insulting way being put out there as well.
Because there's a lot of times in classrooms where we'll just be sitting there just talking about anything, and then we just hear like racial slurs coming from a corner across the room, and we're all just like, oh, what the heck do we just hear, you know?
And he was still mad, and he was like, "Well, when you're here, I can't understand you, so you have to speak English." And then I just left. We left the situation, and I told one of the Boys and Girls Club teachers, and she took care of it. And that one will always stick with me because I was like, wow.